I'm Shabbir from Educami, and I take a lot of pride in telling all of you that we have managed to help 51 students crack the examination in 2020 Civil Services of UPSC. And with that background and our conviction to help you, we are offering integrated course in Geography Optional. I've been teaching geography for almost more than 20 years now, and offering this guided package for your preparation is a great pride for us. I want all of you to appreciate the fact that preparation for an optional goes through phases. Most of us believe the foundation course of syllabus completion is enough. Foundation is a basic course of 6 months. We cover all the important topics of syllabus. But along with this, all of you need to also get into the habit of writing answers, updating your content, giving tests, and also revising and consolidating whatever you have learned in the foundation course. A regular foundation course cannot give you that edge that you need. It gives you a base. It gives you a kind of the basic understanding. But your actual leap happens when you combine the foundation with the courses that help you learn and practice answer writing. And that's what we call as the integrated course, the foundation along with the test series. And some of the novel features of this program will be, we will not only help you with new content, more advanced content, with updated content around current affairs. We also will help you with model answers that are handwritten. Often students struggle with visualizing what does a good answer look like, how to write as many words in 2 or 3 pages, how to draw diagrams, how to manage the balance between paragraph writing and bullets writing. And that's where at Educami we have pioneered this. We're the first institute to have done this with as much thorough detail, and also the leading institute you can depend on for quality answers and evaluation. We are helped by technologies that help us give you more detailed inputs and remarks on the answers that you write. In fact, Educami has developed one of its first and one of its unique kind of technology called as Correcto, which is now shortly going to be patented. Using that, we can help you in your test preparations like never before. Join us for the integrated program that includes 300 plus hours of foundation classes, plus you also have more than 100 hours of enrichment and test discussions. All of this spread over approximately 8 to 9 months, but the portion of test series will be approximately 2 to 3 classes a week after your foundation gets over. For the details of the program, which includes foundation courses, listing of topics and themes, and the details of number of tests, which include sectional tests, practice tests, and also full-length tests based on exam pattern. You can look at the descriptions below and also download the PDF to give you the precise calendar for your preparation. So, welcome to our program. I invite you to come and see how education at Educami and the preparation at Educami is very different from what you thought is possible under the regular type of courses. And all these courses online, at the convenience of your home, at the convenience of your location, and at the convenience of you being allowed to view the classes with recordings and with supported material and also summaries of the classes. The program of integration with test series also gives you mentorship programs, guided programs where you can discuss with your friends and also collaborate with us to improve your knowledge and your writing skills. Welcome to Integrated Geography Optional Program for UPSC Civil Service Examination.